Today I'll show you how to handle and format Microsoft's JSON date format in C#. If you've interacted with older Microsoft web services, you might recognize dates formatted like /date, parenthesis, some long number, end parenthesis, and slash. While functional, they're not easily readable by humans. Let's make this simpler. We'll start with an example, JSON date. We'll create a simple method to parse this date and convert it into something clear and usable. Using a simple regular expression, we extract the numeric portion, which represents milliseconds since Unix epoch. Then we use date-time offset dot from Unix time milliseconds to turn it into a usable date-time object. Now let's run our program. Notice the original JSON date is now clearly displayed in a standard date-time format that's easy to understand and use. With this method, you can quickly and cleanly handle Microsoft's JSON date formats in your applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment about what you'd like to learn next.